like to congratulate DIRCOM for being elected as the organizer of the World Public Relations Forum to be held in Madrid next year. Madrid will then become the international capital of communication and public relations. These are great news for Madrid, and this event will give us the chance to show the talent and creativity of all professionals of our country. I'm sure it will be a great success. I invite all participants to take advantage of the visit to Madrid to get to know our region and enjoy the hospitality of the people of Madrid.